I know some of you guys have mentioned that you don't know why Ford would use standard filament style bulbs on your vanity lights in your 2021 and up for Bronco, but maybe they think you use this just for vanity and they want some nice warmer light on there. However, if you want this super bright white LED, let me show you how to do that. First, go to stickefab.com and buy this. We'll have a link in the description below. We sell almost everything as you just need one per vehicle, so we'll give you 4 bulbs. Then get a small flathead screwdriver, also available on our site if you don't have one. Stick it on the inside, right here. There's actually 2 tabs. Pull back gently. You want to use the smallest screwdriver possible. Then insert it at the top as well. There's another tab up here. Once those pop out, you should be able to grab it. Now, depending on how long this has been on, it might be a little warm. Don't bridge those 2 prongs. Just focus on one and flick that bulb out. Ooh. Grab your new bulb and test for polarity. If you have the bulb in backwards, it won't turn on. There we go. Make sure the LEDs all point forward, and wow, is that bright. Now insert it the exact same way as you took it out and push down. And there you have it. That's the install. So it's no joke, this thing is bright as heck now. I only had 1 bulb in, and in the morning, when it was really dark, I just opened this up, and basically you can use this as an additional reading lamp. So again, visit our website, stickefab.com. Please like this video and follow us on whatever platform you see this on.